I'm about to unveil a big opportunity that allows you to turn your passion for music into a steady stream of income. Imagine getting paid to listen to your favorite tunes, with each melody putting cash in your pocket. I've spent hours digging deep, analyzing every angle and trying out different methods. So if you want to follow my success, make sure to pay attention to each of my steps I've laid out for you. Here's a rundown of what you'll learn by the end of this video. 1. Find music you like on Pixabay. 2. Explore Up Forever and sign up. 3. Cash out your earnings. 4. Increase your earning potential by utilizing your referral link. Now let's get into it. By listening to just one song, you're already looking at $5 in your pocket. And if you double it up to 2 songs, that's $10. Now do the math with me here. Listen to 10 songs, 5 times 10, and you're cashing out $50. I've been on this platform for a bit now, and I've already pocketed about $600. Let's kick things off with our first step. Head on over to pixabay.com. Once you're there, look for their music section. If you're having trouble finding it, no sweat. Just type in pixabay.com/music in your browser. Once you land on the page, you'll see a treasure trove of royalty-free music tracks up for grabs. From artists to genres, you can search for whatever floats your boat. And the best part? You can download these tracks onto any device you have. No need to worry about opening your wallet for these tracks, and you can grab as many as you like. But we're not just stopping at downloading tunes here. I've got a cool trick to share that'll have you making money every day like clockwork. If you check this out, users are earning $12, $39, $27, $45, you name it. Just imagine seeing those dollars roll into your account day after day. If you're down to jam out to at least 50 to 100 songs daily, this method is a piece of cake to follow. And guess what? Even if you're a total newbie to making money online, you can totally nail this. Just make sure you've got your smartphone or laptop handy to join in on the fun. Now brace yourself because there's a ton of music waiting for you. Seriously, we're talking hundreds and thousands of tracks. But we're not just gonna randomly download anything we see. Let's head over to the left-hand side of the page, where you'll find all these different music genres neatly listed. From electronic beats to ambient vibes and everything in between, it's like a musical buffet waiting to be explored. Pixabay Music is packed with a bunch of different tunes, and each one has the potential to earn you around $5 over and over again. All you gotta do is hit that play button and let the music do its thing. Listen to the track all the way through, and if it vibes with you and you think others will dig it too, then you're on to the next step of the process. But if the track isn't your jam, chances are others won't vibe with it either. So skip it and keep hunting for tunes that tickle your fancy. Let's try searching for some pop music. It's super popular and you can usually cash in on this genre. Just like before, hit that play button to give the song a quick listen. If it sounds like something you'd groove to, go ahead and hit download. Rinse and repeat a few times, grabbing the tracks you dig, and save them to your device. Now here's the thing. The more songs you listen to and download, the more cash you'll be raking in. So take your time on this step. Give those tunes a good listen, and snag the ones that really speak to you. Trust me, it'll pay off in the long run. And hey, a quick heads up. Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. On to our second step. Head on over to this website called upforever.com. It's a free platform that pays us to share our music files. Now, you might be wondering, what if loads of other people upload the same song? Well, here's the beauty of the internet. There's no shortage of traffic. Millions of folks worldwide are constantly on the lookout for tracks like ours, meaning we won't all be competing for traffic from the same source. According to their homepage, we can safely upload our files and then cash out our earnings through different payment methods. Or, if you prefer, you can convert those profits into products. Here's how it goes down. When someone downloads your file from their site, they'll see some ads. They can choose to skip them or watch them, and the platform shares that ad revenue with you. It's a win-win situation for both of us and the platform. Signing up is a breeze, taking less than a minute to complete. Just provide some basic info about yourself and you're good to go. To access your account, Simply enter your login details and hit the login button. From there, you can check out how everything works by clicking on Make Money. They offer competitive pricing worldwide, and your earnings depend on where most of your downloads come from, as shown in the table below. For instance, if the majority of your downloads come from Tier 4 countries, you'll pocket $3. Up the tiers to 2 and 3 countries, and you're looking at $4. Score downloads from Tier 1 countries, and you're in for a sweet $7 payout. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. In the third step, you've got plenty of options for cashing out. PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Paysera, AdCash, or choose from other methods listed. Good thing is, the minimum payout is just $1 across the board. So, once you hit that threshold, you can withdraw any amount you've earned. Take a look below, and you'll find about 5 different ways to make money from this website. My personal favorite is this option where I get to sell my files through my account, setting up my own prices and earning every time someone downloads them. Let me log into my account real quick to walk you through how to set this up. Here's a peek at my dashboard. Already pocketed about $600 using this method on an account I recently created. Lastly, I have also spread the word by sharing my referral link with friends and on social media, which I'll teach you in our fourth and final step. So far, I've managed to get around 50 people to hop on board and start making money on this platform. What's cool about these referrals is that I earn a cut every time my referrals make money, 10% of their earnings each time. It's pretty much like passive income. To set this up, just head over to the left side of the dashboard and click on Upload Files. Choose a song you downloaded from Pixabay, add a description, set it to public, and hit Start Upload. Then you can set your desired price. I usually go with $6 per song. Rinse and repeat for as many songs as you'd like to upload, and that is pretty much all you have to do to earn while listening to music. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit subscribe too? That way, you'll be the first to know about all the latest tips, tricks, and opportunities to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!